Welcome to the Goat House Kitchen. This is your favorite chemistry student teacher at Mount Spokane, Mr. Starkovich. And today we're going to be cooking some pigs in a blanket, using chemistry though. So let's get started. First of all, we got to take a peek here, looking at balanced equations, which in chemistry or in cooking is also known as recipes. And this is quite an easy recipe here. So we've got 2 little weenies for every 1 crescent dinner roll. And we create 2 pigs in a blanket. Easy enough there. Recipe done. Next thing we want to look at is how much are we going to create. So I've already taken some weights already. So these are the weights of the little weenies. And then these are the weights of the dinner rolls that I have so far. So let's come on over here and get the other 2 readings. So I need 13 more little weenies here. So using my scale here, and if you guys want to end up doing some scale work yourself at your house, you can use a scale to weigh yourself as a body. But luckily I have a personal scale here that I can use. So 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13. And that's all I need to finish off my recipe. So we've got 149.6 grams. I'll go take note of that over here. Of the little weenies. Now to get the last weights of the crescent rolls. $240.1. So I'll do the math on that later. You guys can trust me. I'll come back and tell you guys what the starting weight was of everything. And now we get to the exciting part, the actual cooking. Well, actually the putting together before we get to the baking. So I will be using my assistant here to help me cook. Very nice. Hello there. All of our rolls, and we still have some of the smokies left over here. That means that this will be the excess reactant in this cooking reaction. The limiting reactant was the rolls, and now that we've used up all the rolls, this could not have any more smokies made. So our limiting reactant is the rolls. Now we're going to step over here. The oven temp is preheated to 350 or 375 degrees, which is perfect. So I'm going to set the timer. This hours? Yeah, right. So I only need 15 minutes here. We got the smokies in the oven. Looking forward to this on game day. We'll see you in 15 minutes. 15 minutes chill.
White, and they're, the shape of them is very, very iconic.
Now take a look at these. Mm-mm. Very nice. Kind of just save time and just weigh one and multiply it by 64 or whatever. So one little Smoky pig in a blanket weighs 24.22. So for the sake of time, I'm gonna come over here. So if we have 24.22, gonna multiply that by the number of Smokies we have. Let me double check on that. 1, 5, 6, 7, 9. So we have 45 here. 6, 4, 7, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 4, 5, 61, 62, 63. So let's do 24.22 times 63. That gives us a number of 1,525.86 grams. Notice there's a difference between the pre-cook and the theoretical yield post-cook. That could be described as some of the liquids that exist in both the weenie and the dough going off and evaporating during the cooking process. So that would explain why this post-cook weighs less than the pre-cook. And there you have it. You have some delicious weenies to be able to eat. Your Super Bowl Sunday. Go Falcons.